Hi, everybody. I've been thinking about ways that we could share our work and be able to see the things that each other are doing. And so I've come up with this idea of Padlet. And if you follow the link that I've included with this email, it will bring you to this site, which is just going to be like a little bulletin board that we can use. And when you're ready to share something, you come down to this corner and click on it, and then up will pop an option just like in this corner here. We're going to use the camera, and it takes just a minute, but there it is. There's the camera. And if I did an art project or a book that I finished writing, whatever you did, you can just hold it right here in front of the camera, and then you push that pink camera button, but hold it because it doesn't take the picture right away. That was my mistake. I had to make a whole new one. No, whole new video. 3, 2, 1. Dang, that is a fine picture. So I could save that and it'll pop right up. It's saving, saving, saving. And then I can write a little something, something like this is the book we are reading. And you can see that I've done a couple of other ones. So here I'm in the video, or excuse me, in the picture with Sunny. But if you are a little bit shy and not wanting to be in the picture, you can make sure that your head is off of the camera. So those are a bunch of different ways that you can add it. Now, if you didn't love the picture, if you didn't love it, you just go delete, bam, okay. So I'm going to leave a couple of pictures of Sunny up there, and you are welcome to try to upload a picture of some of the work that you've been doing for school. So take care of yourselves. Hope this video helps and hope to see some of your work here soon. I'll probably take down the work after about 24 hours so that we can put new stuff on. Thanks. See you later. Bye.